Namaskar to everybody. I am Raju B. Pote, selection grade lecturer working in civil department, Gomtesh Polytechnic, Hindwadi, Belgaum. Today I am going to discuss some of the parts on rain water harvesting. All we know that Panch Mahabhutas like Tej, Aap, Vayu, Bhumi and Jal, they are all available on this earth, plenty. But our ancient people, they developed their colonies all along water bodies because they know that water is a more vital factor for development. Even we know that earth's surface is covered 75% by water. And in one advertise I saw that the body, human body is also covered 75% of water. I don't know. That advertise is for water purifier something. Right? So what happening is, we know in Sanskrit also there are so many equivalent words for water. This one word is Jivan. Jivan is life. That water is life. And you, without food, you can survive for more days. But without water, that is dehydration, you cannot survive more than 1 day or like that. So water plays a very vital role in our body, in our development as well. Now how much water one person required per day? As Indian standard says, 135 liters per capita per day. If you compare this per day our usage and you compare this a good monsoon season, the amount of water what we get is much more than actually what we require. But when you see this in non-monsoon days, we always run short with the drinking water. Why? Because we are not able to store the water on this earth. How water gets stored on this earth is either lakes, ponds or man-made dams, or most of the water is stored by percolating the water into the ground, joins the underground water table. But because of this, countries like India, who is going for developing, we are developing villages into towns, towns into cities, cities are going for big cities are developing into mega cities. To do all these things, we are constructing buildings either for residential or factories, we are doing pavement, we are doing network, and we are covering this open land with all these structures. So it is very difficult to get water percolating and stored in underground water table. So what we can do is, all we have to do, our contribution for this storage, like get water collected on your roof at one corner, get a pipeline, run down the water and join to nearby borehole or to this open well. Otherwise, all along the road you find good, neatly placed gutters. Water goes into gutters. It's good drinking, valuable water. Through gutter, it will join directly to the sea, which becomes non-useful for drinking purpose. I conclude this session with giving a good positive note. Nearby Belgaum, there is one village called Zafarwadi. There one person stays. Is small, his own small land. His name is Shivajirao Nilangikar. And he found that his field is not getting proper yield. People from his village are living and doing the labor works. The farmers are doing labor works in nearby cities. So he has dedicated his life for rainwater harvesting. He is not married and he located his, all around his village the streams, and in non-rainy season he started constructing small bunds. He was alone working. People used to laugh at him initially, but he keep on doing this. So after 1 year, there are not much result for this, but somehow his efforts are put by one person on the social media, and he got funds from Germany, the Tata consultancy, all these things, and with that fund he hired some people and started making his job, that making bunds and stopping water at higher level. And with that, within 1 year or so, the second year, he got that result. All his open wells and bore wells are starting getting filled up. and the people those ran away to a city came back, and now he is made his village independent. That everything is growing in his village. Maximum what he is getting from outside is salt, or otherwise his village is totally independent. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.